What's going on, everybody? Skylar Santana, New York representative for Hardscape.com, outdoor porcelain pavers. So today, we're out here in New York in Whitestone, where we have an install for a driveway, and I wanted to answer two questions for you guys. Number one, can porcelain pavers withstand the freeze-thaw temperature? And number two, can it be used for a driveway? And the answer to both of those questions, guys, is absolutely. Right behind me, we have a completed project. The customer opted to get a 16 by 32 Da Vinci color, 3CM, bordering it with a 6 by 12 basalt. Spacer bars on that too, 1.1 inch. Fantastic product. R11 slip rating, no problem. Maintenance, no problem. Whether it be car fluids, leaf stains, whatever the case may be, this customer is going to have a fantastic time maintaining this product with zero to low maintenance. If you guys have any other questions about driveway applications, please call me at 917-227-7765. Thank you.